Are you tired of being lied to by losers who make videos just like this one here? Showing off methods which require technical analysis and indicators and claiming backtest results, even though technical analysis is subjective for each person, so you'll never get those results. And in fact, I can show you he never gets those results because here's a screenshot of a testimonial he provided for a copy trading service. If you want to know more in this video about how you can have a method which won't lie to you, nor will the results, and how you can go and get those results instantly, then this is the video for you. I'm Taylor, this is Perfect Entry, and let's get into the video. So in the intro I discussed why I said this method was a lie, and right now I'm going to give you a very quick run through and then explain why the method I'm going to show you is not lying to you. So the method that it's shown, you can see that there is indicators, yes, and that's fine. There's nothing wrong with indicators, but it's when you start adding technical analysis, which you can't control, that's when you get the lie, because what looks like rejection for one person doesn't always look like rejection for another, and what looks like a zone to one person won't always be where the other person has placed it. So to offer a method and give back-tested results with times of day and stuff, showing a method which is both mixed technical and indicator-led, is a fair piece of a lie and heavily misinformed. So in this video I'm going to show you, we're going to go to this chart and I'm going to show you back-tested results which you can go and prove for yourself. So this method is very, very simple. It requires one indicator and it will do all of the work for you. So the indicator I've got on my chart is Pip Hunter Freeze, which is the latest in the Pip Hunter series, and I've got the settings as follows: 4, 7, 9, 2, 1.5, 4.5, 0 because I don't want to run a trail stop now, and the hours I've just got set to all, so it's every session if we want it. We can sit and adjust for different sessions if we wish, and I've picked the order size. Order sizing in TradingView is a bit different, so I just put it to that, which is what I always test on, and pyramiding, which is the amount of consecutive orders in the same direction without one closing, I've got set to 9, which basically means it's taking every trade that shows up. So it will take the entire stack here, it will take the entire stack through here, it will take up to 9 orders in the same direction, providing a new signal is given. And you can see that, hey, these results are pretty decent, 43% gain. In just over a year we can physically go in and look, not through that column, but we can go into here. Okay, it doesn't give a date, but this will. So this goes from 2023 all the way back to 2022, and I can probably go back further if I wished. In fact, we can even go into the deep testing beta and I can run it for the same period of time. So this is all of 2022. You see that in this case it's got 38%, and this is completely without any form of technical analysis. And you can see that over the last 1,400 trades, we've had a total of 47.2% profitability, of which leads to a profit factor of 3 to 1. So profit factor is for every dollar lost, you would gain 3 in this case. And you can also see the maximum drawdown, which is something that you're definitely not shown from the moving average in this case, and our total profit. And you can see that our average trade made around $305 on the random account size which was selected, although we can cut it down if we wish. If I just do that now, you can see that everything would be the same, it's just smaller. If I set to that, it might be too small for TradingView to deep test. Oh no, it still works. You can see that it just scales it down a bit. So the way you would trade this system is very, very easy. Currently you've got a lot of entry and exit marks on there, but I'm just going to add the actual indicator itself as opposed to the strategy tester. So now we've got the actual indicator itself, and we're going to go and put the same settings on it. That's the strategy tester, which were 4, 7, I think it was 9, 2, and then this was 4.5, I think, and then we're just going to check that. So 4, 7, 9, 2, 1.5, 4.5, 4, 7, 9, 2, 1.5, 4.5, and then we can get rid of the strategy tester because we no longer need it. And then all you have to do is you wait for your trade to appear. So in this case, you would have caught it off the end of this candle. These are Renko charts, by the way. and then you would set your stop loss, set your take profit, and you would let your trade run. And again, right here, we would enter off the end of the candle closure, set our stop loss, set our take profit, and let that trade run. And then one more time, we would set off the end of this candle, which would have been up here, set our stop loss, set our take profit, and let our trade run, which in this case would have resulted in this loss one candle later. Now, my Renko settings is very, very easy to follow. All you have to do is go into your Renkos, set them to either open, high, low, close, or just close. It will be the same either way. Traditional, and then set the box size to 10. In this case, if I set them just to close, you can see that you do miss a little bit of data. And then this lines up with my free settings. And then when you have your Renkos on the chart, always make sure you're on the lowest possible time frame. This is because Renkos on TradingView only get updated as per the time frame. So, for instance, you can see that we're currently working on this 1 minute on this 10 pip box. However, if I jump to the daily, you can see that it changes significantly because all of these would have been printed at once, and then all of these would have been printed at once, and it makes it a lot harder to follow. So always keep your Renkos on the lowest possible time frame. Again, open, high, low, close is perfectly fine because it gives you even more data to pull from. I'm Taylor, this is Perfect Entry, and I'll see you all in the next video where you will learn more about things like this. One final note, if you do want to get access to our tools, including all of our courses which are complete from the ground up and go into significant details, this is our beginners, for instance, this is our master's course, and we also have the MBT course which goes into risk management in detail, different chart reversal patterns, as well as lots of clean chart analysis, as well as market structure and market personality, and then into psychology right near the top. We also have our own signals service which is part of that, as well as all 9 of the Pip Hunter indicators, including the strategy tester, which you would get access to as soon as you join. All you have to do is go in through the store, click, which is one click, you can just click your choice, and then if you ever come to wanting to cancel, all you have to do is click sign in, log in with your Discord, and then you can just cancel at free will. And then if you decide that that is far too much work, all you have to do in our Discord is if you click on support, you can raise a cancellation ticket, and then one of us can handle that for you. So if you want access to a no-nonsense support group where you'll get active traders, as well as in-depth market analysis from our experts, as well as just general guidance and help from each other, then please feel free to click the link in the description below. Thank you.